In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo onto Paperform, a fantastic tool you can use to create beautiful forms and landing pages. Adding a logo can really enhance the branding of your forms, giving them a more professional look and feel. Let's dive into the process to make your form stand out. First, let's explore how to add a logo to the form header. To get started, you'll want to locate the theme icon, which you can find on the left sidebar of your Paperform editor. Once you've clicked on the theme icon, you'll need to select the header option. This is where you'll be able to personalize the header area of your form. Next, click on the Choose Image button or the Upload button, whichever is available to you. This will open up the option for you to upload your logo. Simply select the image file from your computer. If you have a pre-existing logo stored in Paperform, you can select that instead. Once the logo is uploaded, it's important to make sure it looks just the way you want it. You can adjust the image's size, position, and other settings until you're satisfied with its appearance. This customization ensures that the logo fits perfectly within your form's header area. Now let's move on to adding a logo to a specific question within your form. This is a great way to emphasize branding throughout the form and can also help draw attention to certain components. Working in the form editor, find the particular question where you want your logo to appear. Directly next to the question, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that and then select the image option. Similar to the header, you'll be prompted to upload your logo from your computer. Alternatively, you can select an image from Unsplash, a popular image repository integrated within Paperform. After uploading, you can then easily resize and reposition the logo to ensure it fits seamlessly into your question layout. Both of these methods allow tremendous flexibility in how you incorporate your branding into each part of the form. Whether using the header space or positioning a logo next to a question, taking these steps ensures a polished, cohesive look for your forms. It's these small touches that can ultimately enhance user experience, making your forms not just a questionnaire, but a reflection of your brand's identity. So there you have it, a straightforward way to add a professional touch to your Paperform creations. Follow these instructions and you'll have your logos placed perfectly in no time. Thank you for watching and happy form building!